This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Donna Hardy. First floor Bobby Jones model, you won't want to miss. This updated partially furnished unit is waiting for you. 2 bedrooms plus a nice den. The large patio has new sliding windows and a portable AC so you can use it as an inside space or open it up and enjoy the breeze from the golf course. Pipes have been replaced in this unit as well as showers. Newer appliances and full-size efficient washer and dryer. Steps away from the community pool. Live an amazing country club lifestyle. Gleneagles Complex was recently renovated with 2 championship golf courses, tennis, pickleball, 3 dining venues, a 15,000 square feet fitness center and resort-style pool. Membership information is attached under documents. Unit has mandatory golf/tennis membership. For more information, review the details below or contact Donna Hardy at 561-981-9400.